Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Kaiju number 8 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile avatar or your character within this game. So let's get started right away. If you wish to change your equipped character on your profile, then after completing the basic tutorials, you will unlock access to the main menu. From here, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then go into profile. Now within the profile page, you will see the character that will be displayed within your profile. In order to change this, click on change character at the bottom section, and now you can choose from the characters that you have unlocked in order to set them as your avatar. Click on the OK button after choosing, and now it will be equipped as your profile character. You can come back to this menu in order to change it at any point of time in the future as well by following the same steps. And that is how easy it is to change your profile character on the Kaiju number 8 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.